Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Aquarius for January 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also in my channel's info. So let's see, what do the cards have for Aquarius? In this reading, we'll see the overall energy for Jan, the key challenges and obstacles, actions, advice, your strength and opportunities, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck. So please do stay till the end. So let's see, what do the cards have for Aquarius for January? What's the overall energy? Okay. Please clarify Four of Swords as the overall energy for Aquarius. Four of Swords as the overall energy for Aquarius. Four of Swords as the overall energy for Aquarius, please. Okay. Alright, let's see what are the key challenges we have for you. Challenges for Aquarius. Challenges for Aquarius. What are the key challenges we have for Aquarius? What are the key challenges we have for Aquarius? Okay, got it. Now let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you. Actions or advice for Aquarius. Okay, please clarify the moon card. Please clarify the moon card. Please clarify the moon card with the actions or advice for Aquarius. Okay. All right, let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have for you. Okay, please clarify Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles as the strength and opportunities. Okay, now let's see what the probable outcome we have for you. Probable outcome for Aquarius, please. Probable outcome for Aquarius, please. One more. Please clarify Queen of Swords as the outcome, probable outcome. Please clarify. Wow, Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands. Alright. So, the overall energy for you, Aquarius, I see is you are trying to balance a lot of things. Okay, and you are, you are somewhere you have or you will be planning a lot by isolating yourself, not being a part of the crowd, rather being focused and strategizing on how you can balance all the things which you are handling. It can be too much of workload at your workplace, it can be work life and personal life, it can be taking care of health, your finances, your career, your family, everything all together. Okay, so you are trying to hold or balance everything, so many things you're basically trying to handle, and you are planning, you're strategizing on how you can achieve your goal, on how you can be focused, how can you be more determined, you are being logical. Okay, you are having this energy of a fighter key, whatever the challenges are coming, I am going to overcome that, and I know what kind of action I need to take, and how do I need to reach to my goal. Okay, us tarah ki energy is what I am getting here for you. At the same time, you have to protect yourself from the unnecessary chaos and drama. Rather, you have to focus on your work and don't waste your energy in the unnecessary things or unnecessary discussions which are not connected with your goal or with something which help you to achieve your goal. Okay, so just try to be logical and try to be try to take actions after proper planning and strategically thinking. Okay, I see you will get the success. आप जो भी आपका responsibility है, जो भी आप handle कर रहे हो, there is good news coming in. At last, people will be seeing you as someone who is who is responsible and someone who is capable of handling everything at a time with so much of dedication, and with that positive outcome also is what I'm getting. Okay, people will see you at the end as someone who is able to handle everything so with so much of determination and confidence, and you will get the success of whatever you are dealing with. Okay, people, there is good news coming in. It can be for some of you, if you are working on a project and it has so much to deal with. Maybe you have 6 or 7 team members under you, and you are monitoring everyone. At the same time, you are focusing on too many other different things. At the end, you will be, people will be cheering for you up. You will come out as a shining star. Someone, people will look at you for some inspiration, for some motivation, for some guidance is also what I'm getting here for you, Aquarius. It's a very good energy for you during the month of Jan, Aquarius. The obstacle here I see is, you are waiting for some kind of thing. Okay, you are waiting for your ship to arrive so that you can jump on it and move towards your destination or towards your goal. But you don't have to be in this energy of just waiting. Okay, sometimes you have to make your own path, right? Create your own way of doing something. You need to change your perspective and focus on how you can achieve your goal. Okay, don't focus on, maybe for some of you, you have dealt with some kind of a painful thing in your life. It can be end of a cycle, it can be end of a connection, it can be end of a relation for some of you, which is not so easy to overcome with. एंड आपका ज़्यादा फोकस उसी चीज़ पे जा रहा है कि ये कैसे ख़त्म हो गया या ये कैसे हो गया, हाउ यू कुड हैव मेक इट नॉट fallen apart, and what you could have done so that things would have been how it was before, something like that. तो आपको अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है. जो हो गया उसको आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो, राइट? sometimes some things are not in our hand, right? So just change your perspective. Don't keep crying over the spilled milk. Rather, change your perspective and focus on how you can achieve your goal, how you can change your perspective to focus on the lesson, what that loss has taught you, and move on with that lesson in your life so that you don't repeat that same thing again in the future, right? So it's something like that is, you need to overcome something emotional which is heavy to deal with. So you need to change your perspective and overcome that challenge by focusing on the lesson and using that lesson on your journey ahead, right? So that is also what I'm getting here for you. You need to be passionate. Okay, अगर आप ज़्यादा इमोशनल होकर कोई भी चीज़ के लिए सोचोगे तो आप एनर्जेटिकली अपने गोल की तरफ काम नहीं कर पाओगे. So that is also the obstacle I'm getting here for you. तो अगर कुछ ऐसा होता है which is causing you emotional pain, so just try to focus on the lesson and move on from that, from that wound, and focus, change your perspective and start focusing on something which you really feel passionate about. Okay, so that is also I am getting here for you. That will be a challenge for you because जब आप emotionally hurt होते हो तो आप किसी चीज़ पे ज़्यादा focus नहीं कर पाते हो. So that is what is the challenge, right? So आपको उसको overcome करने की ज़रूरत है. Now the action और एडवाइस हियर इज, एज आई सेड, आपको फोकस्ड होने की जरूरत है, आपको डिटर्मिन, आपको पैशनेटली काम करने की जरूरत है. फॉर सम ऑफ यू इट कैन ऑल्सो बी, आई सी दैट यू आर ऑलरेडी हैविंग अ फिक्स्ड सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, बट यू आर ऑल्सो थिंकिंग ऑफ स्टार्टिंग समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन एज अ साइड हसल. मे बी फॉर सम ऑफ यू might be thinking of starting something online, okay, into something which can be foreign, which can be extended to foreign land. If you're into business, you might be thinking of expanding your business to foreign land, and you will be analyzing and strategizing about it also is what I'm getting. For some of you, you are planning to have an additional source of income is also what I'm getting. Okay, but आपके जो subconscious fears हैं कि how will it happen, how will I manage, how will it turn out to be, so आपके जो fears हैं आपको उसको overcome करने की ज़रूरत है. You need to listen to your intuition. Okay, इसके लिए आपके दिल और दिमाग में जो जंग छिड़ी है ना, आपको उसको शांत करना है. उसको शांत आप कैसे कर सकते हो? थोड़ा सा अपने साथ टाइम स्पेंड करो, थोड़ा सा मेडिटेशन करिए और अपने आप को जस्ट कीप योर सेल्फ काम डाउन सो दैट यू कैन लिसन टू योर इनर वॉइस. ओके, दैट इज ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग हियर फॉर यू, एक्वेरियस. कुछ this is something which will help you in the long run. Okay, this is not something only for January that you need to connect with yourself. If you keep doing it, if you keep connecting with yourself by creating a balance through meditation, it will help you in your overall life to understand what kind of decision you need to take, what kind of fear you have to overcome. And the more you connect with your intuition, the more you will start understanding and observing and analyzing that your intuition is right. Okay, so just try to focus on that also, I'm seeing. Now the strength and opportunities for you here, Aquarius, I see is, you know, as I said, आप बहुत सी चीज़ें balance कर रहे हो, आप handle कर रहे हो, everything is good and you are doing it so well. But at the same time, as I said, you need to change your perspective by connecting with yourself. This card says about meditation. You need to connect with yourself, and for connecting with yourself, आपको थोड़ा सा meditate करने की ज़रूरत है. आपने जो emotion suppress करके रखे हैं, उसको भी आपको release करने की ज़रूरत है. आपके पास जो भी experience है, knowledge है, whatever wisdom you have, what kind of experiences you have had till now in your life, use that, use your experiences wisely for your own growth, for helping people around. Okay, that is also what I'm getting here for you. So you just need to listen to your inner voice, and sometimes that is the difficult thing, right? Because we are, you know, it's not so easy for us to connect with ourselves because we basically run away, and running away is basically keeping ourselves distracted, right? Either with a lot of friends, either with social media, either with doing so many different things that we don't get enough time to sit with ourselves so that we can understand our emotions, right? So that is the problem. So you need to do that. Okay, so just connect with yourself, release your suppressed emotion and work towards it. आपको फाइनेंसेस में भी आई सी यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन बजटिंग. आप अगर आप ओवर स्पेंड कर रहे हो तो उस पर भी आपको ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है. हैव अ प्रॉपर बजट on how much you're earning, how much you're is spending, how much your expenses are, how where you are investing, you know, just उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा बजट प्लान करने की ज़रूरत है. आप ओवर स्पेंड कर रहे हो तो उस चीज़ पे भी आपको थोड़ा ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है. इज दिस एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड और नॉट? For some of you, I see that, you know, you might be focusing only on your work and not on your family or your emotional well-being. So that is also what you need to do. Just try to create balance. Okay, अपने work life, अपने personal life पे थोड़ा सा आप balance करके रखो. It will help you to you know, not overburden yourself by work and not feeling emotionally left out also, right? तो अगर आप थोड़ा सा अपने loved ones, अपने family के साथ time spend करोगे तो you will feel more emotionally supported, emotionally connected, is also what I'm getting here for you. all right, because हो सकता है आप काम पर इतना ज़्यादा busy हो गए हो कि आप family के साथ time spend नहीं कर पा रहे हो, and because of that you are feeling lack of emotional support also for some of you, I'm getting, right? So just try to create a balance in your work life and personal life, and release your suppressed emotion so that you can see clearly things at an emotional level. You will be able to understand it's not the problem with the people around, it's that I am not communicating with the people so that I can feel more emotionally connected with them, right? So that is also I'm getting here for you, Aquarius. The probable outcome I see as, see, I was saying, right, people will see you as someone who is more confident, someone who is responsible, and someone who is focused and determined. So these both the cards are saying here that you will be you know, someone, you will be seen as someone who is logical, who is independent, who is confident, charismatic, and very logical. At the same time, you will learn to create boundaries. As I said, if you focus on creating balance between your work life and personal life, not to overburden yourself, you will be able to create boundaries, work on your goals with passion, because I see you will be able to overcome these challenges. Okay, just change your perspective, listen to your intuition, connect with yourself, be passionate. Okay, be passionate, be logical, and you will overcome all the challenges. जो भी confusion है, I see those are fading off during the by the end, or whatever situation you are dealing with. This is a general reading, so I can't exactly say what situation you will, so I'm trying to cover overall things here. So जो भी confusions है, जो भी challenges है, आप उसको बहुत आराम से overcome कर लोगे. You will be able to have foresightedness. आप थोड़ा आगे का देख के, आगे की situation को analyze करके, observe करके आप logically decision लेना is important. At the same time, I see you have support from the universe, you have the support from the people around, and you know, with your family members. And also I see someone, you coming out more passionately. Okay, more confidently, more passionately. As same thing goes in your relationships also. अगर आप focus कर रहे हो, you know, अपना जो चला गया है उस चीज़ पे, तो आपके जो दूसरे connections हैं उनमें आप ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो, you know, it will cause you lack of emotional support, right? More emotional support आप miss करोगे, राइट? तो उस चीज़ के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा बैलेंस करने की ज़रूरत है. जो हो गया उस, जस्ट टेक योर लेसन एंड मूव ऑन फ्रॉम योर लाइफ. ओके, सो दैट इज द मैसेज आई हैव फॉर यू, एक्वेरियस. हेल्थ वाइज आई डोंट सी मच. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज टेक केयर ऑफ योर इमोशनल वेलबींग. आई डोंट रियली सी मच ओवर योर हेल्थ. जस्ट आप अपने इमोशनल वेलबींग पे ध्यान दीजिए एंड यू विल बी एबल टू ओवरकम ऑल द चैलेंजेस कमिंग योर वे. ओके, So now let's see what's the guiding message we have for you, Aquarius, for January. Okay. ट्रेडर सी एक्सचेंज एनर्जी टू क्रिएट अबंडेंस. सो अगर आप अपने आप को बिजी रख रहे हो एंड यू आर सेइंग पीपल आर नॉट अवेलेबल, so it's not fair, right? You also have to be available at times, right? So you need to create a balance in your work life and personal life at the same time. If you are craving for that emotional support, so try to understand, are you also emotionally available or are you closed off? Okay, अगर आप closed off हो, अगर आप लोगों से बात नहीं कर रहे हो और आप सोच रहे हो कि कोई मुझसे आके बात नहीं कर रहा है, so that is also not fair, right? So you need to open up a bit so that what you are looking for is available to you also when you are providing it also, right? So it's like this is how the universe work, right? Law of universe is what you give is what you get, right? So उस चीज पे भी ध्यान दीजिए. Just try to create a balance and focus on what is important for you. Don't cry over the spilt milk. Just take your lesson from whatever has happened and move on. All right, so this is the energy I have. These are the messages I have for you, Aquarius. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.